Hi guys, we're back again. So, okay, now in this portion of tonight's shenanigans, I'm gonna share with you guys something new that I got from Orly, and I didn't even know this existed. I didn't know this was a thing. It just showed up, and I was like, "Oh, this is cool." And it came with this little flyer that explains what it is. So it's like 4 polishes and 4 sets of nail, I think people call these nail wraps, nail stickers. I don't know. How cool is that, right? This is so nerdy and cool. Overall, I love it. Such a nice theme, in my opinion, of course. And so you have kind of like pairings of like the polishes with the stickers, right? Pretty cool. It says that they're going to be available. Well, actually, they're already available. I'm late, as usual. They're already available at all the stores. And then on the ORLY website, they're going to be available on March 1st. You can see it down here. This thing, okay? So let's get into them. I already removed my polish from the previous live, put a base coat, and let's see. I have not opened them. So whatever I see here, we're gonna find out together, honestly. So there's that. I want to do this one first. Oh, I want to show you guys something because they're so cool. Like they have like a little paragraph in here. Is there anybody out there celebrate the Voyager mission that changed how we see our solar system? How cool is that? I think it's cool. I guess you guys think it's cool too if you haven't left the live. So anyways, let's see. Let's see what's up with this. If you have any questions, remember put it in the little question box so that I can see it. So this looks like a gold metallic. The theme is obviously, very properly matched. Okay, it's a pearly gold. Pearly finish, metallic finish, whatever you want to call this. I'm not sure. But there you have it. We're going to do second coat, so hang on, okay? Oh, and sorry, the name of this one was... okay, Golden Record was the name of the one I just showed you. And then the next one that we're going to see is called Perseverance. And this one is themed, the little Mars thing. It's not little. I don't know why I said that. It's not little at all. Explore the red planet with this Perseverance-inspired polish. It's such a good color for the theme. I swear. They did a good job. Okay, let's see. This one's also like a pearly metallic shimmery type of thing. We'll see. Oh, the formula is beautiful. It is beautiful. Now these colors feel a little bit like, I mean, if you are a seasonal wearer, which I'm not, but if you are, they feel a little bit like either Christmassy or Thanksgiving-ish, or not springy. But I don't think these are seasonal things. These are just the collab, okay? So it doesn't really matter. And then up next we have Artemis 1. It's called Spirit of Peace. And this one says, return to the moon with NASA's most daring mission in decades. So cool. Look at all the details. I think it has like white glitters. He has like a clear base with like a gold shimmer and then like little golden hexagons. Very, very cool. I think I might put this one on my, let me see. Let's try my thumb. Look at my little knobby thumbs. It's growing. It's growing. I don't know where to put. Well, maybe here. I just don't want to put it on my pinky because I might not get enough glitters, right? So I want to show you like on enough of a surface. Oh, okay. The payout is nice because it doesn't have like a gold shimmer. This is very nice, actually. Paints a lot. Okay, you don't have to like fish for things. That's just one coat. It's pretty cool for one coat and go. And also, I think it feels like snow. Like if you want to do snow nail art. This looks good for that, okay? There you go. And let's see, the next one's like a galaxy in a bottle. Like, come on. This one's called View from L2. How cool is that? It says, unlock the mysteries of the universe with NASA and the James Webb Telescope. Very, very cool. We're gonna see if it's just a topper or if it has a black base. I don't know. Oh man, when you open it, look at this. It's like a little galaxy in a bottle. Very cool. And I don't think it has a clear base, so I think this is a black base with the holo. Let's see. Okay, so it is a jelly, and you're gonna have to build it up or put one coat on top of black. It's not an opaque base, it's a jelly base. Okay. We're gonna do second coats on this one as well. It's a black jelly base with rainbow and hollow and everything. Like if you go off focus, you can see all the things. Like paint like two little stars on this and you got yourself galaxy nails. Actually, let me see. Give me 1 second. Let me bring out. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna look for my black polish so that I can show you guys real quick one quote of that glitter over black in a second. So hold on. Okay. We're gonna do this here and just let it dry for a moment. This is the black that I shared on my story the other day from Color Club. It's called, where's the Sourier? Sourier. How the hell do you say this? Sourier. I don't know. I'm gonna do a second coat on the gold real quick. Formula's good to be one of those metallic pearly ones. It behaves normally, the way they all behave, nothing different. And then I'm gonna do the second coat on this middle one. It doesn't really need it, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just since we're here. Ah, I grabbed too much. Hold on. Yeah, it doesn't really need a second coat, to be honest. Like on my nail length, I wouldn't even need to do it. It's really beautiful, man. Like it's showing way too orange on camera. It's more of a brick, but like more muted. It's not in your face fiery orange at all. So keep that in mind. Okay, I'm gonna do a second coat on this one just to see how, if it builds up or what happens. But yeah, you just get more, you know, it's a topper. So it does have a foily effect to it because the golden shimmers give it like a foily thing here. But anyways. Now, this nail is very short, so I don't know if the opacity is being built or not, but I think it does build up to opacity, honestly. It's very, very fun. Very nice. It has a lot of glitter in there, a lot of holo scattered, you know? Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna do one coat over my pinky, which is one coat of the glitter over black. I think this is gonna be my favorite because you don't have to build up anything. Actually, no. Well, I cannot decide. I think my favorite might be just by itself, twice, instead of with black under. Because when you have the jelly base by itself twice and it builds up, you get to see dimension into the polish because it's kind of like jelly and see-through. Whereas this one's okay, but I feel like the black under kind of like obscures that depth, you know? So, yeah, I would say just do 2 coats of it by itself. And that's the most fun. Look. I'm mesmerized, I'm sorry. Okay, let me see. Now I want to do something. I want to try, real quick, the little topper on top of the gold and the other orangey one, you know? Just to see what happens. I don't think anything's gonna happen, but why not? It's okay. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't do much for this one, so maybe not. Yeah, I'll show you the topper over black. And then this one actually does spice this one up quite nicely, but it's a lot of gold. So I think when I put it over black, we're just gonna see a lot of gold with white spots. You'll see. Let me show you. Let me show you. I can show you the world. Okay, hold on. Because I need to do a quick base coat because if I don't and put black, I don't know what's gonna happen. The topper on the gold, you love it? It's giving me like snow on top of gold. I don't know. But I do like the topper. I actually think I would like that topper on top of like white for like a snowy look, you know? I don't know. Now we're gonna have to let this one dry, so give me a second. I'm trying to blow on it. Let me see. I'm gonna remove my pinky just because I don't even like it that much. I think it, like I said, by itself, it looks much better. You build it by itself. It builds opacity and you get the depth of the jelly. So just don't even, you know. I mean, maybe you like it if you try it, but I wouldn't. I would just do it by itself. Okay, let me do. What was it? The topper over black. I think that's what was asked. You guys. This black is like. This black is so good. Okay, I need to give it a moment, okay? And then what did I say I was gonna try in here? Maybe a white. I had a white. Okay, this is the Color Club white. This wipe is a no wipe, not no wipe. What? Lint-free wipe. Usually they're used with gels, but I use it with everything. I want to warn you, once you start using these, you won't be able to go back to cotton rounds, cotton balls, nothing that has fuzzies, because these have no fuzzies. And they're linked on my Amazon store, so check them out. One sleeve lasts me a long time, so. And this is the white that I also linked on my story. I'm sorry, but like this white and this black, I don't see how they can be improved. I know I said that on my story, but I mean it. Like for the price, with that brush and that opacity and that everything, it's like very, very good. Okay, so let's do the golden topper thing over black. I don't know if this is dry enough. It's not dry enough, you guys. I need to give it a second. So I'm gonna read the questions real quick to see if anything was asked that I can answer while I give these like a little couple seconds to dry. Okay, I don't see anything. Sorry, I'm going back, okay? 1 second. Okay, so yeah, topper over black, we're gonna do it right now. And I think that's it. I don't see any other questions. You have to try Color Club. Okay, I would recommend that you wait for their sales. Because even if they have good price, like they do a lot of nice sales. And if you see something that you want, I have a code with them. It's not an affiliate code. We don't make money with those codes. Nobody makes money with those codes from Color Club. They're just points. But with those points, we get to do things like what I do in my store, which is like giveaways and things like that. And we get to like buy products with points, but it's not, you know, you don't cash out. We wish. Because I really do love Color Club, and if I could make money out of recommending them, that would be amazing. Okay, so you see, like we expected, a lot of gold with like white specks. Yeah, I agree. I think this topper is very nice. It's very like, you can do many things with it. And then let's try it over white. This is gonna give me like snowy vibes. We're gonna lose the white details, of course, but it is a very delicate touch, very like wintry and nice. Let me see if I can zoom in without losing focus. You see? Now, since we lose the white details, it feels like there's a lot of empty space, but it's not really empty space. It's just, there's other things there that you cannot see, like all the little white glitters. So if you wanted to get an even spread on the gold, you might need to do 2 coats or do a tiny bit of like glitter placement, which is when you grab the brush and you kind of like fish for it, okay? And then over black, you do see everything a little bit more. And then this is by itself at 2 coats, and this is over the other 2 colors. So anyways, I think it's a pretty fun collab. Like, who thinks of this stuff? Like, I'm gonna do a collab with no polish with NASA, and people are gonna like it. I agree, I like it. I cannot say like these are like my favorite colors ever. Like, I cannot lie and say like if these didn't have the NASA logo, I would not like, it would not be a thing, you know. This one, yes, the black glitter, and this topper also It's fun. But this tour probably something I would never like on my own. But when you put a theme behind it and you understand why this is the color that it is and what it's representing, it just makes total sense and I love it. So anyways, let me show you guys. I'm not going to put them on because I haven't done that in many years and I don't want to like make a mess here. But I want to show you how the little sticker things look like. Because I think they're pretty cool. Okay. So this one has like sky, right? Like the sky with a bunch of, I guess this is what you see when you use the telescope. And then this one has, I'm guessing, also shots or something from when they were doing these missions, you know? Because they're different. They're not all just the sky. They have a very different vibe, one to the other. And then this one, you can see like more real, quote unquote, realistic. Why am I not opening them? What am I doing with my life? Why am I not opening them? I have you guys here just like struggling for no reason. What is this? What is this? Let me open them all so we can see them properly, okay? Oh, and they have instructions on the back. So if anybody cares about any of these, you have instructions. And they do come with a little nail file. Okay, so there you go. So this one has a different vibe from this one. Oh, this one's super realistic too. Nice. So is this one. Look at this one. I love this. Oh, woo, very nice. And this was more cartoonish. Okay. So anyways, that's it for this. If you joined late or if you couldn't catch the whole thing, don't worry about it. I'm gonna upload this to my YouTube channel and then you can just watch it on 1.5 or whatever you guys want to do. So thank you so much for joining this live and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.